Good morning, everyone. My name is Vyansh.
My name is Aishvi. On behalf of K2-A, I welcome you all to this special assembly on Save Our Planet Earth.
Earth is the only known planet having life in the universe. So we should respect and maintain everything we get from our Mother Earth.
Vyansh, do you mean that we should save our Earth by saving trees, water, vegetation, natural resources, electricity, etc.?
Yes, I should, because we just have one planet to live and it's getting polluted day by day.
Now our friends are going to present a small act on save our environment and save our Mother Earth.
Today we will tell you a story about a beautiful world. Once upon a time, there was a happy place full of trees, flowers and zombies. Everyone lived happily together.
Look at me, I'm happily swinging around in the cool breeze. I am a pretty flower. I am dancing beautifully under the bright sunshine. I am a daisy bee and collecting nectar from all these lovely flowers. I am a colorful butterfly. I am flying from flower to flower and enjoying the nature. I am a rabbit. I can hop freely in this green and peaceful place. I am a bird. Chip, chip, please give me a safe home to sing and live. Look at these plants. They need some water. Let's take care of them. Yes, watering plants help them grow strong and healthy. I love spending time in nature. It makes me feel happy and relaxed. Thank you, everyone. If humans care for nature, all plants, animals and people can live happily together. Please
Let's all promise to take care of our planet. Small steps make a big difference.
Let us welcome few friends who want to share a few lines with you. Good morning everyone. My name is Megha. I would like to share a few words with all of you. Our earth is a blessing. There is just one. It gives us water, soil and sun. People and animals share their lands. Let's all lend a helping hand. Let us save water and plant a tree. Make a better home for you and me. Recycle things and don't throw away. Make every day an earth day. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Dia. I am here to share some of my thoughts about our environment. Let the birds fly in the sky. Let the fish swim in the sea. Let the animals live in the forest. Let the trees wear an umbrella of green leaves. Let the earth smile with its present glory and victory. Thank.
Those were a few more thoughts our friends here shared now.
Now let us welcome few friends to come up on the stage to sing a song.
It's a wonderful planet that's turning around. Blue in the sky and green on the ground. Let's try our best to keep it clean. The earth is all we have. It's a powerful planet that's spinning around. Don't pollute the ocean and make animals frown. You will not get a second chance. The earth is all we have. Go green, let's keep the earth clean. Turn off the lights, get the trash in the bin. Go green, let's keep the earth clean. Don't pollute it so much that we're living in grass. Go green, let's keep the earth clean. Reduce, reuse, recycle things. Go green, let's keep the earth clean. So don't you ever give up. Hear the wind blowing soft through the trees. Feel the waves moving with the breeze. Every little step we take can help to keep it all. See the sunlight on the sea. Hear the birds sing wild and free. Every promise that we make can help to keep it all. Go green, let's keep the earth clean. Turn off the lights, throw the trash in the bin. Go green, let's keep the earth clean. Don't pollute it so much that we live in grass. Go green, let's keep the earth clean. Reduce, reuse, recycle things. Go green, let's keep the earth clean. So don't you ever give up. Hey! If the river is dry, if the forest falls, if the sky turns gray and we lose it all, let's hold it close, don't let it fade. It's already something that is beautifully made. Already something that is beautifully made. Go green, let's keep the earth clean. Turn off the lights, throw the trash in the bin. Go green, let's keep the earth clean. Don't pollute it so much that we live in dust. Go green, let's keep the earth clean. Reduce, reuse, recycle things. Go green, let's keep the earth clean. So don't you ever give up.
Thank you very much for organizing this assembly. It's such a privilege to see the little ones doing so well. Regarding what we do to preserve our Mother Earth on daily basis, the most important thing is segregate the waste. Don't combine wet waste and solid waste. The other thing is don't throw garbage here and there. Many times we see people going in the car and throwing garbage out. Don't do that. And I mean, we don't do that. And we expect everyone else to be not doing it. Third thing is, whenever you see, just normally if you're going around and if you see a tree dying because there is no water, I'm sure we all carry some water bottles, just pour some water, give some life. And be kind to the environment, plant more trees, don't pluck flowers unnecessarily. That's all that we can do. And the most important thing which I think is required, which the teachers here in the school is doing, is teaching the little ones to be more responsible citizens, planting trees, nurturing the nature, and that makes the most important thing because these are our future. So thank you very much and really happy to be a part of this event. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Tri-World School and K2 teachers for taking great efforts for the assembly. Would like to say reduce, reuse and recycle. That would help the environment very much. And do your best. Do your best for the nature, and the nature will do the task for you. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Archana Menon, Maitri Menon's mother. She's studying in K2-A. I've had a wonderful experience with Tri-World School. My elder one is also studying here, and the concept of Go Green, which they have took, they do truly stick to it. Whatever they do, the children, they are very much careful of not littering around whenever we are around outside the house. They do see to it that we do not spoil the outside area wherever we are, if it is inside the car or outside in a mall, anywhere. They do check for the waste baskets and go put it there. The same way, watering the plants, giving life, watering the trees. All these things they do follow very well, and I'm very happy that these habits have been, these responsibilities have been made more. The children are getting more responsible to carry out all these activities in a good way. Thank you so much.